If you've ever wished you could launch a Zoom meeting right from Salesforce instead of juggling tabs or apps, this guide is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fully integrate Zoom with Salesforce in a clean, secure, and practical way, even if you've never installed an integration before. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening Salesforce and heading to the App Exchange. This is Salesforce's official marketplace where you can install trusted apps and integrations to expand your system's capabilities. In the search bar, type Zoom for Salesforce. Once it appears, click on it and you'll see a Get It Now button. That click kicks off the installation. Next, Salesforce will ask whether you want to install in your production environment or a sandbox. Here's the quick difference. Production is your live setup. Real people, real data, real impact. Sandbox is a testing playground where you can try things without risking anything in your main system. If integrations are new to you, choose the sandbox first. It gives you room to experiment and verify everything before committing to the live environment. Once you choose where to install, the installation wizard will guide you step by step. The interface is pretty intuitive, but don't rush here. You'll be prompted to assign permissions so the right users in Salesforce can access Zoom features. Permissions matter. They ensure data stays protected and only the right team members see meeting tools inside Salesforce. Think about roles like sales reps, account managers, or service teams, anyone who regularly books or joins video calls. After permissions are assigned, let the installation finish, then do a quick quality check. Make sure the Zoom options are visible within Salesforce and accessible to the profiles you approved. Running a test meeting or simply confirming the Zoom panel shows up is a smart move before rolling it out to everyone. Once everything checks out, congrats, you've just integrated Zoom with Salesforce. From this point forward, your team can schedule and manage video meetings and customer interactions from one centralized platform instead of jumping between apps. It saves time, reduces friction, and keeps communication aligned with your CRM data. If this walkthrough helped you get set up, stick around for more short guides just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother workflow that comes with connecting Zoom and Salesforce.